Greetings, my dear students, my dear participants. As you know, I am launching videos for the different concepts on fundamentals of data science AD8302. This is one of the subjects of BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. So in this video, I would like to focus the fifth unit, Python for data visualization. As a university point of view, I would like to focus the first part of the unit 5. The first part is a very important one because very important concept like visualization, scatter plots and visualizing errors, contour plots, histograms, binnings and the density, like this very important concepts we focus here. This visualization is very important one. That is the reason why I would like to focus the first part in this video, and later on I can launch the video for the remaining part. So directly I would like to take you to Jupyter notebook so that comfortably I can give you demo and you can understand. So this is the first question. From the first part I created a questions and I would like to demonstrate. With the suitable Python matplotlib library, demonstrate the following. We can expect like this. The first one is visualize three-dimensional data with the contour, and the second one is visualize three-dimensional data with the colored contour. We will create a contour. The next one is colored contour, and the third one is the colored contour we needed to fill. So how to fill the colored contours? So that is a filled contour. Then after that we have a data, and data wanted to plot as an image, and that is the what is called three-dimensional data as an image. Then after that, so we can fix some labels for that image. So like that, very important topics we will discuss so one by one. So as far as this Python is concerned, for visualization purpose, I already demonstrated you how to import libraries related to visualization. You know very well NumPy library, Pandas library and matplotlib. Numerical analysis, you know that is. I don't want to give that introduction much. If you have any doubt, you can watch my previous videos. So where I demonstrated the purposes of NumPy, Pandas, matplotlib like this. So this session I would like to demonstrate visualization so that all these libraries I imported. Then after that, so that is I wanted to demonstrate, so that is the first question, the three-dimensional data with the contours. So this is a very important one. So for this purpose, first we wanted to create what is called linspace, that is called line space, and the line space purpose is it is used to create evenly spaced events. So what is the meaning of evenly spaced events? So it will create events, and the events will be recorded like the samples, and that is a duration is fixed even. So with it we can create what is called the plot. For this purpose we use what is called line space. So 0 means it is a starting time and the ending time, and 500 means it is a samples. How many samples you wanted to create between 0 and 5 space? So that is line space, and that will create in this x-axis. And similarly in this y-axis, again I am creating what is called the 400 samples. So this starting space is 0, and what is called this maximum is 10. So it like the coordination. As far as x-axis is concerned, 0 to 5, and y-axis is concerned 0 to 10. And that is x-axis 500 samples and y-axis 400 samples will be created. It's okay. So for creating what is called the x-axis and y-axis, so I would like to that is a take what is called some calculated value, some value I wanted to calculate. For this purpose I created, okay, this definition. This is a function. So this is the function which is used to create a data for the array. Okay, so it is very simple, isn't it? So that is a sin x value and cos some what is called algebraic model. We just calculate it and a single value will come. That value will be returned to x, y coordinates. That is a function. So that function will be, okay, forwarded here. So based on that, okay, I can draw a graph. So that is very important one. So that is a contour I would like to create for this purpose. Okay, x and y coordinations I created and the samples declared. Then after that I am creating a values, and that values is passed to Misgrid. So what is the meaning of Misgrid? So I would like to show, okay, that is a small diagram so that you can understand. This is called Misgrid function. According to this example, okay, so that is x-axis started -4 and ended +4. Similarly, y-axis started, okay, that is a -3 and, okay, ended 4. And like this we can consider Misgrid. And that is a values were created, okay, so that is Misgrid values created, and after that if you wanted you can join together. So creating what is called x-axis and y-axis and the values generation, okay, till this, okay, we can achieve with this comment. X-axis created, y-axis created, x, y value I created, that value is passed to Misgrid, and that is Misgrid content is x and y. Now, okay, after that, okay, I wanted to calculate the height, how much the height I wanted in this diagram, okay, for this purpose z. So the z is the function of xy. So Misgrid I am creating. Just I would like to run so that pictorially you can understand, okay, executed. Now I executed this one, okay. So now, okay, that is x value, y value and the z value I calculated. That means, okay, that is a contour basic functions I created. Then after that, okay, that is I would like to see the contour. So what is the meaning of contour? This is a very important one. It is a very simple concept. So that is a contour is used to, okay, so that is called create a point. That is called creating a points. Then after that connecting a points of equal values. For example, okay, so for understanding purpose I would like to tell you, for example, it is 60, 63, 60, okay, here, okay, well, 63 means a 3 value gap, 3 values gap, here 3 values gap, imagine that, okay, then contour will be drawn here, okay, that means connecting points. For example, so from here, okay, a new point will be created and that will be connected, okay. How it is identifying this direction? Because this gap and this gap, this gap, this gap are equal. That means imagine that 70 is 74. So the 4 is a difference. Here 70 means imagine that this is a 66. So 4 is, and like this you can imagine if all the gaps and all equal, then a contour will be created here. A new point will be created and like this. Then after that, okay, next point, okay, one contour will be created and the contour will be connected together. But the concept is very important one. Contour means it is creating isolines. Isoline means, okay, equal shape. That means connecting parts of equal value, okay, and then it is a joining. I will show the what is called output so that you can understand contour. So that is xy, already xy calculated with the line space, and z is also calculated. Z is the height. Then after that xy, z, then contour, okay, the data there. Now I run so that you can see the contour. See the contour. Okay, so that is x-axis, okay, that is points 0 to 5. So that only is specified here, 0 to 5. In the y-axis, okay, 0 to 10. So that is created is 0 to 10. So in this x-axis, how many samples? 500 samples. In the y-axis, how many samples? 400 samples. From these samples, I created a Misgrid. So this is okay. One, okay, I have shown this output, no, that is a PPT, no, this is like this mesh grid, okay, that is mesh grid is created. Then after that, the counter is created. What is a counter? Okay, that is a connecting points of equal value. Connecting points of equal value. Like this, the line will draw, okay, and you can see this is called a counter. Okay, this is the first question. So see here, visualize three-dimensional data with the counters. So now I visualized, okay, that is a three-dimensional data, okay, with the counter. Then after that, I wanted in the color. It's a second question. Okay, that is a counter with the colored. Third one is a filled counter. Okay, next one is a color I wanted. Okay, visualize a three-dimensional data with the colored counter. So that is a counter is created, and the color I wanted in the red color. So I put in the red color. Okay, that is a red color here. What is called the gray, black color. And okay, now I created in this red color. If you wanted in a green color, G, so color green. Okay, counter you know very well. Okay, so now I have created what is called a green color like this. Which color you wanted, okay, you can proceed. That is the small concept. Then after that, okay, so here one more a small difference, isn't it? So that is x, y, z. Okay, you know very well. Okay, x, y, and z is the height, and then 50 is what is called the position. Okay, that is a new, what is called, that is a facility available, feature available introduced. That is number and the position of the contour line. Okay, here I put, okay, that is 50. Okay, just a run, and after that you can see. And what is called the contour map color is red gray. Okay, so just you can see the output. Okay, you can see. Okay, so that is a contour, that is a red gray. Then after that, okay, that is a position is 50. If you wanted to understand, I put 1 so that you can understand. Okay, that is it contour created, and what is called the position, that is 1, only 1. Okay, now see the output. Okay, so that is only 1. Okay, you will get it. Okay, and cannot draw, isn't it? Then you put what is called 2. Now you can see. Okay, that is 2, isn't it? So understand, only that is 2 colors, 2 contours you can see. One is in blue color and other one is, okay, in this red color. 2 contours. For example, I put 3. Okay, see, you can understand now. Okay, that is a contours. Okay, inner one, outer, that is one more contour it is created. Okay, so that is 1, okay, 2, and like this. Okay, that is more. So if you wanted more contours, and I can raise. Okay, so for example, see here. Okay, that is 3 different contours. Okay, it is created. Now, okay, I am putting a 4, and you can see. Okay, so that is extra contour 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? 4 contours came. For example, like this, I put contour means. Okay, so for example, again I would like to tell you, isn't it? So see here, initially it is not coming. Okay, see here, isn't it? So this is the points, the contour drawn. This is the, what is the line? Okay, the connect the points of equal value. So here 1 point. Okay, and then equal value, that is next point, next point, next point, like this. Okay, it is connected all the points. So this is the 1 contour. So 1 contour is created. The position is, okay, according to this, okay, that is the 2. That is the 2 contours created. So if you wanted to, if I am putting 3, you can understand. See here, inside there is a 1 contour. Okay, then after that outside there is a point, so second contour, and then it is a third contour. Okay, that is a third contour also, what is called drawn. Similarly, if I put 10, okay, you can understand 10 contours, you cannot count, but if you are counting, it will come. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay, the 10 will come. So if you wanted highest accuracy, more samples wanted, I can put 40. So 40 contours and all here. That means a concentric circle like this, concentric contours. So for example, if I put 400, what will give? 400 contours will be drawn. Okay, so wait, drawn. See, 400. Okay, that means if you wanted highest accuracy, more counters, more points we can generate and you can put. So for university examination, for understanding purpose, just I put okay 25. You know very well what is the meaning of this. This is the position. So this is the position. Okay, x, y is the values, z is the height, is the position. Okay, so this is the what is the answer. Okay, the visualize the three-dimensional data with the colored counter created and a number of counters also I created. Okay, next question is filled counter. The filled means it's very simple. Okay, how much you wanted to fill. Okay, for example, previously I demonstrated. Okay, same here also filled counter. Okay, so that is a counter f I put so that it is a filled. See here. Okay, you can, it is a filled. Here previous things it is a empty. For example, I can put here that is a 3. You can understand counter inside it is empty, but whereas here it is a filled. Now in this filled you can understand the counter numbers. For example, I put a 0, 1. Okay, only one counter will be created. See here, only one counter is created. You can see. If I put that is a 2. Okay, 2 filled counters. See here. Okay, that is one counter, then another colored counter. See here, one counter, that is another colored counter. So like this we can put. So for example, I put a 3. Okay, then okay, see here, one counter, second counter, third counter. So that means okay, now you can classify, you can understand very clearly. For example, I put 4. Okay, 4 counters, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so like this you can proceed. So for example, any numbers you wanted. For example, I wanted highest accuracy of that is a point. So like this I can put is a number of counters. Okay, the purpose is, the counter purpose is okay, drawing a, what is called, for example, I am drawing images, faces. I wanted to give face color as well as edge color. For this purpose we can use this one. Okay, then after that, okay, here everything is a data, and the data I wanted to convert as the image. So for this purpose we use what is called IMShow. So IMShow is the method. Okay, so it is used to convert the data into image. See here, so here that is a Z, that is called data, isn't it? Z is the data. So Z is the array where okay we have a content under. Then after that I would like to use extend. So before that, okay, this is the common format of that is IMShow. So IMShow is used to draw a image from the data. Okay, so these are the entire features of IMShow. So this Z is a data. Then what is called the counter map color I can give. Then after that what is called the minimum value and maximum value I can fix. Okay, and then extend is a very important one. Okay, the purpose of extend, no, what is called the data coordination values, that is bounding box value. Okay, like x-axis, y-axis value. For example, x-axis 0 to 5, y-axis 0 to 10. Like this you can, for understanding purpose I am telling you, isn't it? Extend value, interpolation you know very well. Then origin, okay, from where you wanted to start, obviously from 0, 0, from initial level wanted to start, that is a low. Okay, for demonstrating this image, that means the data to convert it to image, I am not using entire features. I wanted what is called data. Then after that coordination 0 to 15 x-axis, 0 to 15 y-axis, and what is called that is origin is from starting from low. Then okay, one color I have given. You can see, I execute. See here, isn't it? So that is origin. Okay, that is x-axis 0 to okay, and y-axis okay 0 to 14. 0 is counting here, 15 also coming here. Okay. So for example, I wanted to increase it to that is a 20, and you can see y-axis okay, that is a 20. You can see now. See here. Okay, 0 to 20 came, isn't it, round value, and that 0 to 15 came. Okay, then after that okay, that is a contour map color is red gray, isn't it? Red gray came, and origin is 0, 0. Okay, that is lower means 0, 0 you can put. Okay, instead of that you can put like this also. For example, 0, 0, like this also you can put. Okay, that is top, okay, left, bottom, left, starting values. Okay, so initial values, that means so this position and this position it is representing. Okay, so lower means it is a default means it depends upon the data. Okay, it will take from, okay, that's lowest value. For example, for understanding purpose, I am conducting examination. The lowest mark, okay, maybe 40 in the first internal test, and the second internal test maybe 80 is the lowest mark. So 40, 80 and all depends upon exam, the value will change. So that I cannot put 0, 0 or 40, 50 like this. So I can put lower, so that according to this data, which is the lowest value, it's the origin to start. You can what is called understand the concept very clearly. Okay, that's a color bar. Okay, and the next one is, okay, so I created a data into image, and from the image you cannot understand anything, so I wanted to give some label so that you can understand. Same thing, isn't it? Color, okay, given that label, okay, what label color I wanted to give, okay, given. So for example, starting, okay, that is low, you know very well. Alpha I would like to tell, okay, after executing this output, so that you can understand. See here, okay, label is came now, okay, that is value, okay, that is value, data value, that is label is displacing here, isn't it? That is data. The data is converted into image, and after that image, okay, that is label is also given. So that is a label. For this purpose we use what is called a contour label. Okay, that is a contours, okay, inline value, that is implicit, so that true. Font size is 8. For example, I wanted, okay, that is label size is very larger, so I can put 18. What is wrong in that? Now you can see, okay, like this you can understand. So just for, okay, seeing, I can put that is a 10. Okay, that is font size is 10. Then after that 0, this you know very well extent. Okay, that is x-axis size and y-axis size. If you wanted, you can change. For example, I put, okay, x-axis is 7 and run this. Okay, you can see x-axis, okay, then y-axis. Okay, then after that this alpha is very important one. So what about the size, intensity of the contour? Okay, for example, now you see the output. Okay, now you see the output. Okay, one intensity is there, one brightness is there. Now I would like to change this into 1. Okay, now you can see brightness is reduced. You can understand. Now I put what is called 3. Okay, now wanted to see continuously, so that you can understand, isn't it? Little bit brightness raised. Okay, then after that, okay, that is I put 5. You can see. Okay, now I put what is called 9, the highest value. See here, much brightness. So now you can understand. If I put a 1, okay, lowest intensity, and if I put what is called a 9, the highest intensity. So for this purpose, okay, so now I demonstrated what are the things, how to create a contour, how to create a colored contour, how the contours can be filled, then how that filled the contour, okay, may be printed as the image according to this data. Then after that, on the image, how shall I give label, and like this we demonstrated. Okay, then okay, then histogram also I would like to demonstrate. See here, contour is over. Then after that, okay, I wanted to create a histogram. Histogram is means what? Okay, for example, okay, it is 10 2 times, okay, repeated. So that is one height. I will run this output program code, then you can understand. The histogram is the graphical representation to understand, okay, how many times the particular information is repeated. So we can understand very clearly. So for this purpose we use what is called the histogram. The histogram size is, okay, 0 to 25, and like this, okay, bins value given, that is x-axis named, okay, we can give like this. Okay, then just I run this code, then I will like to demonstrate. See here, okay, so this is the histogram output. Okay, see 0 to 100 values and all there. Okay, so that is 0 to 20 values repeated 5 times. This is a 5 times repeated. See the data, you can understand 0 to 20. So 0 to 20 5 times. So that is a 10 repeated 2 times only, 20 repeated, okay, 3 times, okay, then 40 repeated 3 times, okay, and some, see here output, okay, I could like to change this value, okay, so that you can understand. See here, now I put only 10 1 times. I run this code, you see, okay, only 10, 0 to 20 is repeated 1 time only, so 1 is k. Now please see here so that you can understand the difference. 10 I repeated 2 times histogram. Now see here, okay, 0 to 20, that means 10, okay, repeated 2 times. See here, previously 1 came, now, okay, that is 2 times. So for example, okay, I would like to repeat this value 5 times, okay, 10, 10, okay, 10, okay, that is 5 times. So that means histogram, okay, 5 times the particular number is repeated. See here, okay, that particular number is repeated 5 times. Okay, now I would like to, okay, add some other numbers, for example 90. Okay, so now you can see, okay, that is 0 to 20 is values repeated 5 times, and okay, 80 to 100, that means 100, what value given? 90. Okay, so 80 to 100, okay, repeated how many times? 1 times. So according to this example, one time only came. For example, I would like to put okay, 92 times. Now you can see that's 2 times. So the histogram is a very important one, the pictorial representation, which help us to understand which information is repeated a number of times. So a particular value is highest value, then that information is much important and cannot be ignored when we are classifying or predicting certain things. So for this purpose, okay, histogram used, we will come to, okay, our code, okay, our what is called the purpose of this code. Okay, see here the comment already given. What is that? Create a customized histogram. Then after that, okay, over plotting multiple histogram. One is histogram I wanted to create, and the next question is multiple histograms. Both the things I would like to give you demo. So it's a very interesting and useful, so that the data set, okay, we can analyze very clearly for better prediction. Okay, so for understanding purpose, I am creating our data set. So random number, you know very well, 1000 random numbers I am creating and assigned on data. Okay, so that is I created. Now 1000 random numbers generated and okay, printed on the data. If you wanted, you can see. So you can you know that is a comment of, okay, printing data. See here, 1000 values, random numbers generated, okay, and printed. Okay, then okay, next one is, okay, data printed. Then after that, so I would like to, okay, plot this histogram. So the comment is hist, data already created, you have seen. Then after that, bins. Okay, so bins is, okay, how many strings, okay, I wanted to consider. That is a sequence of data is called sequence of integer data, or sequence of string is nothing but bins. So here, okay, I wanted to consider 30 sequence of data as the string. Understand? Then after that, density, okay, I wanted to see, okay, the brightness, so that density I put true. Then you know very well alpha, okay, how much percentage of the density I wanted to take, 50% of the color. Okay, so you know what is called 1 means very dull color, 9 means highest brightness. Then histogram type is, okay, step filled, that means, okay, it is like a step. Then color is, okay, G given, okay, and color means background color, okay, green color I wanted, edge color is red. So just I am running this program, code, you can understand. See here, okay, so that is 30 pins, okay, it's a string considered. Then after that alpha is brightness, you can know. So step filled, isn't it? Step is filled, okay, and after that inside and all everything filled, no, so that it is called step filled. This is the first step, second step, third step, and okay, under the steps everything is filled, so that I can calculate area, because the area calculation very important for understanding the quality of prediction. Okay, that I will discuss later. So step filled, so that is a color is green color, edge color is red. So see, the edge color is red. For example, I put, okay, that is alpha is equal to 0.1. You can see this is the brightness. And if I put, okay, alpha is 9, okay, you can see the highest brightness. You can understand. For example, color I wanted to see as the blue, okay, that is B, okay, you can put the blue color. Okay, edge color, which color you wanted, you can decide. And histogram is step filled. Okay, this is a very important one. It's filled here. Okay, for example, I would like to, okay, remove this temporarily, or see here, I would like insert the other one. Okay, I would like to copy the same code comment. Okay, I placed it here. Then after that I removed what is called histogram type. Now that is no type. Okay, now you execute. Okay, you can see what is called no filled. That means this is the one data, this is the one data, this is the another data, like this you got it, isn't it? So no area can be calculated. Reason, because it is splitted, individual string is here, isn't it? So I don't want like this, so that I can use, okay, that is histogram type is filled. Okay, that you can decide according to your demand. Similarly, okay, 30 and everything is a green color, same, because I already demonstrated, okay, which color you wanted. Okay, so that is background color is G, and edge color, face color is red. Okay, then after that, see here, that also I put, okay, everything is demonstrated. I removed that one. Then after that, alpha value changed here, you know, that is brightener purpose, so you know everything. Okay, so it is histogram. Then after that, okay, multiple histogram, it is very simple. Okay, that is a first histogram created, that value is assigned on x1, second random 1000 numbers stored on x2, and here x3. Then after that, okay, I am using what is called one batch file, that is called quats, KW-args, isn't it? So that is a batch file. So the purpose is, it is using to print 2D image with face color and the edge color. Okay, so which color you wanted, you can decide. Okay, so first, okay, one face color, and okay, next, okay, another background face color, third. So unique background and face color will be created. I will run the output so that you can understand. See here. Okay, so see here, okay, this is, okay, one KW-args, that means background and edge color. This is another edge color, background, another background and edge color. So you can understand. Okay, so the purpose of what is called this argument, KW-args, okay, or quads, isn't it? So you can understand this one. And after that, intensity already I demonstrated. See here. Okay, it is like this. Okay, you can put, and okay, multiple colors. Okay, the multiple colors, multiple numbers. So that is 3000 random numbers generated. Each x1 1000 random number, x2 1000 random number, like this I created. So this is the multiple histogram. You can understand, you can realize. So like this, okay, you can proceed. So dear students, dear participants, this and all very important topics. As far as visualization is concerned, the visualization we created contour, then contours I filled with the color, then after that, okay, converted as an image, and for the image I put a label, and multiple histogram I created, and okay, customized everything. So this is the first question, very, very important topic. Okay, and next I would like to focus for that second question. Till now you can watch this video, and if you have any doubt, okay, stop this video and discuss with your group, your peers, and if you have any doubt, discuss with them or repeat this video for understanding clearly. Still you have confusion, doubt, okay, you can call me or you can send me WhatsApp. Okay, next question is, okay, it is a very simple, okay, what is called a three-dimensional axis. It is for creating an image, figures, isn't it? So that is, I am creating a points and lines in the 3 dimension. Then after that, that is a contour, okay, 3 dimension I am creating and I am adjusting. It's very simple. Okay, so I created a figure. Okay, so for creating a figure, this is the comment. Okay, and okay, that is a plotted. Okay, then the figure is in the 3 dimension. You can see the output, 3 dimension, x-axis, y-axis, and what is called z-axis, 3 dimension. Then after that, okay, I wanted to create the points and lines in 3 dimensions. Okay, see here, okay, 3 dimension lines I created. Okay, so lines created, you can see the difference, isn't it? Okay, that is a 3D created. Then after that, okay, lines I wanted to create. Already I told you x line, y line and all. So sine series I have taken, cos series I have taken. Then after that, okay, line space, okay, 0 to 15,000 sample, you know very well. Okay, so I would like to plot this one. See here, 3D created, and then along with the 3D, okay, that is x, y, z values I calculated and plotted. Okay, next one is a very important one. This is a combined. Okay, so this is for creating a 3D image. Then after that, okay, that is created a line. Then after that, I wanted to create some points on the image. Okay, that scatter point, you know very well. X-axis, I used sine and cos, some calculation, some algebraic calculation, random number generated, and what is called sine value calculated, plus added some mathematical operation. It's a very simple operation. Purpose is, I wanted to create x, y, z values. That's all. Or you can create a array, and where you can store the value also. Then after that, I used scatter plot 3D. Okay, and now you can see. Okay, see here. Okay, that is first, okay, 3D figure created. Then after that, okay, 3D line created. Then on that line I created certain what is called data points. So the purpose is, I can understand what are the values on the data set. So from this image I can understand, okay, where the particular values and all repeated. For example, it is very useful for pattern prediction. Okay, similarity identification or dissimilarity identification, cancer pattern predictions, cardiovascular diseases prediction. Now, like this, hundreds of applications and all available. Okay, so this visualization you can understand. Then after that, okay, contour plot, okay, 3 dimensions. I already demonstrated this function. Okay, already I explained everything. Now I introduced, okay, that is a 3D. Okay, 3D only. So you see here. Okay, so 3D, okay, the contour is created. Okay, that is one contour, second contour. This thousands of contours and all available, isn't it? So everything is combined together so that I got this shape. It is very simple. Okay, lines created. What is the size? -6 to 6. See here, -6 to 6 is already explained, so that I don't want to repeat. It may confuse you, isn't it? And that is 50 positions, and okay, I executed. Then after that, okay, so if I wanted to adjust the angle, this is the original, and if I wanted to adjust, okay, I can proceed like this. Okay, so see here, okay, one angle, then I am, okay, it is 90 put. Okay, see the angle, now it changed. Okay, and for example you put to 60. Okay, this is a different angle, so that it is useful, okay, to see a particular image in the particular angle. Okay, so for this purpose, okay, is I am changing x-axis only, and here I can change this z-axis also, isn't it? Sorry, y-axis also. Now see here, x and y, okay, I twisted and I can see. So like this I can adjust the viewing angle in the 3 dimensions. So it's a very simple concept but very useful. Then after that, the surface. It is a very simple, same concept. The surface is used to understand, okay, this is the image, okay, plotted where the surface is. You can see, okay, this is the surface. So I wanted to highlight in the different color. For this purpose, I have a surface. So that is a projection 3D. Then plot the surface, okay, X, Y, Z and everything. Everything is the same pattern. Only thing is, okay, plot the surface, isn't it? So see the output and you can see. So same output, okay, same output, but surface is printed in different color, isn't it? So the purpose is, so from this color we can understand where the surface value, so that I can extract the surface value and I can do some operations for edge tuning. Okay, so image processing we'll discuss later on. So now you can understand the applications of plot surface. Okay, and one more thing is, this is not included in the question, but for understanding purpose, okay, so if you need it, okay, you can use this also. What is this? You see here, okay, that is a surface, okay, that is a printed, and after that, and accordingly I plotted the available data set value also. This is one data value, this is another data value. So the data value also I have taken, but I think it is not required. Okay, so just for our syllabus, okay, till this one. Okay, so this is the question, the 2 questions I covered in this video. So my dear students, I hope you understood everything. If you have any doubt, okay, repeat this video, and when watching video, if you have doubt, stop this video and discuss with your peer friends, okay, group members, and clear the doubt. Then you continue this, continue to watch this video. Still you have doubt, ask me, call me. Thank you very much, my dear students. Okay, listen and perform better in your university examination. Thank you.